I am Dr. C. Christy, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Cuddalore. This video, let us see about object model from Object-Oriented Analysis and Design for first MSc Computer Science Semester 1. The object model. The elements of the object-oriented technology collectively known as the object model. The object model encompasses the principles of abstraction, encapsulation, modularity, hierarchy, typing, concurrency, and persistency. The object model brought together these elements in a synergistic way. The generation of programming languages. First generation languages period 1954 to 1958 used for specific and engineering application generally consist of mathematical expressions. For example, Fortran, Algol 58, Flowmatic, IPLV, etc. Second generation languages 1959 to 1961 emphasized on algorithmic abstraction. Fortran 2 having features of subroutines, separate compilation. Algol 60 having features of block structure, data type. COBOL having features of data, descriptions, file handling. Lisp, list processing, pointers, garbage collection. Third generation languages 1962 to 1970. It supports data abstraction, PLI, Fortran plus, Algol plus, COBOL. Algol 68 rigorous successor to Algol 60. Pascal, simple successor to Algol 60. Simula, classes, data abstraction. The fourth generation gap 1970 to 1980. C, efficient small executables. Fortran 77. ANSI standardization. Object-oriented boom period 1980 to 1990. Smalltalk 80. Pure object-oriented language. C++ derived from C and Simula. ADA 83 strong typing, heavy Pascal influence. Eiffel derived from ADA and Simula. Emergence of frameworks 1990 from today. Visual Basic eased development of the graphical user interface for Windows applications. Java successor to Oak designed for portability. Python object-oriented scripting language. J2EE Java-based framework for enterprise computing. .NET Microsoft's object-based framework. Visual C#, Java competitor for the Microsoft .NET framework. Visual Basic .NET, Visual Basic for Microsoft .NET framework. Next, we will see various topologies of programming languages. Topology for first and early second generation programming languages. Topology means basic physical building blocks of the languages and how those parts can be connected. Arrows indicate dependency of subprograms on various data. Error in one part of the program affect across the rest of the system. This is the topology for first and early second generation programming languages. Next, we will see topology of late second and early third generation programming languages. Software abstraction becomes procedural abstraction. Subprograms as an abstraction mechanism and three important consequences. Languages invented that supported parameter passing mechanism. Foundations of structured programming were laid. Structured design method emerged using subprograms as basic physical blocks. This is the topology for diagram for late second and early third generation programming languages. The topology of late third generation programming languages. Larger project means larger team. So, need to develop different parts of same program independently. That is, compiled module support modular structure. This is the diagram for topology of late third generation programming languages. Next, we will see topology of object-oriented programming language and objects. Two methods for complexity of problems. First one is data-driven design method emerged for data abstraction. Theories regarding the concept of a type appeared. Many languages such as Smalltalk, C++, Ada, Java were developed. Physical building block in these languages is module, which represents logical collection of classes and objects instead of subprograms. Data and operations are united in such a way that the fundamental logical building blocks of our system are no longer algorithms but are classes and objects. In large application system, classes, objects and modules essential yet insufficient means of abstraction. This is the topology of object-oriented and object programming languages of small to moderate sized applications using object-based and object-oriented programming languages. This is the topology for large applications using object-based and object-oriented programming languages. Thank you.